Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best TN450 toner is probably one of the most cost-effective solutions for your printing needs. This high-yield toner cartridge promises to deliver crisp, clear prints while significantly reducing your printing expenses. In this video, we'll dive deep into the TN450, exploring its performance, longevity, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your printer. Number 5. Easy Ink TN450 TN420 Compatible Toner Cartridge. This is a compatible toner cartridge from Easy Ink. It's designed to replace the brother TN450 and TN420 cartridges. It offers a reliable printing solution. This cartridge works with a wide range of brother printers. You can use it with models like the HL2270DW and MFC7360N. It's a versatile choice for many users. The package includes one black TN450 cartridge and a user guide. It's everything you need to get started. The cartridge is easy to install. The black cartridge can print up to 2,600 pages. This is based on 5% coverage. It provides a good value for your printing needs. The toner powder is refined to deliver high-quality images and text. It ensures clear and professional-looking prints. It's a great choice for both home and office use. What we like. This Easy Ink cartridge delivers sharp text and clear images. It's compatible with a wide range of brother printers, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a reliable cartridge that offers both quality and broad compatibility, you should consider this one. What people say. Product works perfectly with my printer. Fast delivery. No error message, quality is good. Number 4. Brother TN450 High Yield Black Toner Cartridge. This is a Brother genuine cartridge. It produces high-quality mono laser prints that you can always depend on. This high-yield black toner cartridge can print approximately 2,600 pages. It's designed to handle a large volume of printing. This professional replacement black toner cartridge creates rich blacks. It is engineered to work perfectly with your Brother laser printer. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Brother laser printers, all-in-ones, and fax machines. Check the list to see if it works with your device. The page yield is based on 5% coverage. This means the cartridge can print up to 2,600 pages under normal use. What we like. This is a genuine Brother cartridge, ensuring optimal performance with your printer. It offers a high page yield, meaning fewer replacements. If you prioritize the best possible print quality and seamless integration with your Brother printer, this is the one for you. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The toner cartridge works perfectly with my printer. Number 3. Easy Ink TN450 Toner Cartridge Replacement. Introducing the Easy Ink TN450 Toner Cartridge, a reliable replacement for your Brother printer. This cartridge ensures high-quality prints every time, making it ideal for both home and office use. This toner cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models. It works with DCP, HL, IntelliFax, and MFC series printers. It's designed for easy installation and seamless performance. The package includes two black TN450 toner cartridges and a user guide. Please note that the drum unit is not included. You'll get everything you need to start printing right away. Each TN450 toner cartridge can yield up to 2,600 pages at 5% coverage. This means less frequent replacements and more efficient printing. It helps you save time and money. The toner cartridges use refined powder to deliver high-quality images and text. It ensures sharp, clear prints for all your documents. You can rely on it for professional-looking results. What we like. This Easy Ink cartridge comes in a convenient 2-pack, doubling your printing capacity. Each cartridge offers a high page yield, reducing the frequency of replacements. If you print frequently and want to minimize downtime, you should consider this 2-pack option. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The cartridge yields a high number of printed pages. Number 2. V4 Ink TN450 Toner Cartridge for Brother Printers. This is a compatible toner cartridge from V4 Ink. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Brother printer, offering a reliable printing experience. Get more done with each cartridge. This toner can print up to 2,600 pages, based on 5% coverage. It helps you save money without sacrificing quality. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models. It's easy to install and will be immediately recognized by your printer. Enjoy sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics with every print. The toner ensures your documents and images look their best. This toner cartridge is the perfect partner for your printer. It delivers consistent results, making it an ideal choice for both home and office use. What we like. This V4 Ink cartridge provides sharp text and crisp graphics, ensuring professional-looking documents. It offers a high page yield, making it cost-effective. If you value quality prints without breaking the bank, this cartridge is a great choice. What people say. The instructions that were provided with this were very clear and easy to follow. It provides written instructions with clear pictures above it. The product itself was easy to install, and when we compared it to our old cartridge, I do have to say that it seems to print better at 300 dpi, 600 dpi, and 1200 dpi. The quality just looked better all around. I haven't used it long, but I see no difference in print quality, mostly text, graphs and small photos for student handouts and such. The toner was shipped fast, installation was easy and straightforward when following instructions, especially how to reset the drum counter depending on the asterisk printer model. Number 1. V4 Ink TN450 Toner Cartridge for Brother Printers. This is a compatible toner cartridge, designed to deliver sharp text and crisp graphics. It ensures reliable printing results, making it a great choice for your printing needs. Get more for less with this high-yield toner cartridge. It allows you to print up to 2,600 pages per cartridge, based on 5% coverage. This helps you save money without compromising on quality. This toner cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models. It's designed to work seamlessly with your printer, ensuring easy installation and recognition. The cartridge is designed for easy installation. You can quickly replace your old cartridge and get back to printing in no time. It's the perfect partner for your printer. The package includes 3 black toner cartridges. This provides you with a long-lasting supply, reducing the frequency of replacements and ensuring you always have a cartridge ready. What we like. This V4 Ink cartridge comes in a 3-pack, offering even greater value and extended printing capacity. It provides a high page yield, reducing the need for frequent replacements. If you have high-volume printing needs and want to save money, you should consider this 3-pack. What people say. The toner cartridge is easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The toner cartridge works perfectly with the printer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.